Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to automate a complete customer support and after sales workflow in Odoo using the DearERP AI assistant. With just one single prompt, we will create a customer, a help desk ticket, multiple support activities, an internal meeting, internal support task, and a follow-up reminder. This entire workflow will be executed automatically by DearERP. So let's grab a coffee and get started the video. In this example, we will handle a real life scenario. A customer is facing an installation issue with one of our products. We will automate everything using one prompt, including registering the customer, creating the help desk ticket, assigning support agents, scheduling activities, creating a technical meeting, generating internal tasks for the support team, and setting follow-ups. This is perfect for support teams, help desk agents, and after sales operations as well. So, to proceed with this, we need to execute the few actions in Odoo. So, what I'm going to write here, create a new customer named Global Tech Solution, then create a help desk ticket title, installation issue, where product so and so, like X we can mention here. So set the priority to high and link it to the help desk team, technical support. Now I am moving for third step here, which is I pasted here. So third one is assigning the tickets. Now we have created the ticket here, then need to assign it. So assign ticket to agent 1 and add the following activities. So number 1 activity, call customer for issue description, which has to do today only. It is assigned to agent 1. And next activity, gather system logs, assigned to agent 2. And third one is share temporary walkaround, which is assigned to agent 3. After assigning these tasks also, or these activities also, maybe there will be required a meeting as well to get to know the product or customer queries, what actually customer wanted, what kind of the issues actually he's having. So that's the reason I am moving to the create a meeting as well. So create a meeting for the customer and support team with details. So what details I have to mention here, like one thing is meeting title, which everyone need to know here. So technical analysis call about the product X, just now what we have mentioned. And then few more things we need here. So just like schedule, on which time it has to schedule, and also attendees who will be attend the meeting. All these things are required. Later on, we need to create the internal task as well. So whatever we did yet, like first one we create the customer, then we created the tickets, then we need to assign the tickets who will be work on those things. So just like we get to know and we gather the information. So for this purpose also we conducted the meeting as well. Now the time to distribute the responsibilities under project, like who will be working on the project, we have to assign the few responsibilities and few activities here. Just like work is done yet, let's take this scenario. So who will be prepare the fix report as well, and quality review fix as well, and final approval as well. These kind of the activities would be required here. So I am going to make all these things here. So simply I am moving to create the following internal task under the project as well. So all these responsibilities I have assigned to them: perform remote diagnosis, prepare fix report, quality review of fix, and final approval as well. And last one, which is also an important part here, create a follow up reminder activity for agent 1, which actually says update customer on ticket progress. Like maybe customer don't know what activities actually going on currently, so we need to update him, like currently we are working and we are reaching and solving this solution, and till now we updated yet, like this. So ensure the ticket, task, meetings, and all the activities are linked to the customer and the help desk record. We need to make sure this one. I'm simply giving space here like this, so it will be good. Yeah, completely fine now. So what happens here? So simply we have to instruct to this tool, then see what will happen, how it all these things get executed accordingly. So during this requesting process, we have to know what it will create. Once you enter this prompt into DearERP, our AI assistant that will automatically create the customer, create the high priority ticket, and add support activities, and also schedule a meeting, create internal support tasks, and create follow-up reminder. So we'll see how it will be get created accordingly. Amazing! Now it is created whatever we have requested about the help desk support. So I'll move into the help desk and check accordingly. In help desk, in all tickets, like what we have instructed, we need to create the global tech solution name, also customer name, and also there is a installation issue name, product X, and set the priority as well. According to the priority, it is getting highlighted. And also we need to assign the ticket to agents as well. So it is also assigned to this one, to this agent. And maybe we can check more, like there is a other agents also we have instructed to assign them few activities, so it is already filled this one as well. And one more thing, we have instructed about the meeting as well. So I'll move into the calendar, then we'll check meeting as well. So 28, right? So on 28 November these attendants would be there as we instructed. If you know, like attendants, agent 1 to customer global tech solution, all these attendants also there. And then we have instructed about the internal task under the project, so we have to assign them responsibilities as well. Like we instructed perform remote diagnosis, this would be goes to the agent 1, and prepare fix report agent 2. So for that we need to check the project module. So in project there is after sales support. This project, it has 4 tasks. When we check all about these 4 tasks actually, so all these getting appear like final approval, team lead, and when we check about the quality review, it is assigned to the agent 3. So these are internal responsibilities we have distributed like that. So what happens here, using this Dear ERP prompt, you can reduce support handling time, improve customer satisfaction, keep your help desk team organized, automate all follow-ups, avoid manual mistakes, and ensure timely response. This is extremely useful for business with technical support team or after sales services department. And that's it for today's video. With just one prompt, Dear ERP helps you automate an entire customer support workflow inside Odoo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Odoo automation tutorials and Dear ERP videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.